Unlocking the value, worth every penny, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind a popular phrase, worth every penny. This expression is a gem in everyday English conversations, and understanding it can truly enrich your language skills. So, let's get started and explore why some things are considered worth every penny. The phrase, worth every penny, implies that something is valuable and deserves the amount of money spent on it. It doesn't necessarily mean the item was expensive. Rather, the emphasis is on the satisfaction or quality derived from it. This expression can be used in various contexts, from purchases and investments to experiences and relationships. It celebrates the idea that the benefit or joy received is equal to, if not more than, the cost incurred. Though the exact origins of worth every penny are not clear, it's rooted in the idea that pennies, though small in value individually, accumulate to represent significant worth. This phrase is commonly used in both formal and informal settings. You might hear it in advertisements, product reviews, or personal recommendations. It's a versatile expression that conveys satisfaction and value effectively. Let's see how worth every penny is used with some examples. After a luxurious vacation, the trip was expensive, but it was worth every penny for the memories we made. Buying quality over quantity. This winter coat was more than I usually spend, but it's kept me warm for years. It was worth every penny. Investing in experiences. The cooking class might seem pricey, but learning to make authentic Italian pasta was worth every penny. Incorporating worth every penny into your conversations can add depth to your expressions of satisfaction or value. Use it when you want to emphasize the positive return on an investment or experience. It's also a great way to recommend products or services to others, sharing your belief in their value. And that's a wrap on worth every penny. We hope this video has illuminated the beauty and utility of this phrase in your English language journey. Whether it's about a purchase, an experience, or an invaluable moment, knowing how to express its worth in such a succinct way is truly powerful. Remember, the best investments in life are often those that bring joy and satisfaction, making them indeed worth every penny. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.